How to remove GIFs from iPhone keyboard. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Tap on Keyboards at the top. You can choose any keyboard from here. If you want to remove a keyboard instead, then go to the top right corner and tap on Edit. From here, hold and swipe left on the keyboard you want to remove. For example, GIF keyboard. Then, tap on Delete. After that, tap on the tick icon above. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily remove GIFs from iPhone keyboard. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.